Alright, so if your Cricut is cutting a little off when you do print and cut, you need to calibrate the machine. So you're going to click on the three little lines and then you click on calibration, and it's going to give you the options depending on the machine that you have. So we're going to select the one that says print then cut. The next step is to print the calibration sheet. So select your printer and go ahead and select print and continue. So then it's going to print out the sheet and then just put it on the mat like you would regularly, and then feed it on the machine, press go, and it's going to read the registration marks and it's going to start cutting the little square inside in the middle. Once it's done cutting the square in the middle, it's going to ask you without unloading to see if it cut in the middle, and as you can see, mine is a little off to the left, so I'm gonna click no and continue. And then now it's going to cut the lines on top and the lines on the side, and then it's going to ask you which cut is closest to the line. So in this case it will be number 13, and for the letters it's going to be letter L. So then depending on the results that you get, you're going to put it in the selections right here, the number and then the letter, and then you put continue, and then you unload the mat. So then it's going to ask you to print a new sheet, new calibration sheet, and then it's going to go through the same steps again. You load it into the Cricut machine and it's going to be asking you the same questions. Depending on what you answer, yes or no, it's going to continue cutting, and hopefully you get good results. So it's pretty easy. Just follow along all the prompts. If eventually you keep clicking no, it's going to ask you to call customer care so they could help you out. I've actually never called them when I get to that step. I just cancel and then I try calibrating the machine again, or I try again another day, and usually it works. So yeah, hopefully this helps, and thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.